Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Just having my first beer of the day here. I just finished putting up the walls. I'll take you outside. I'll show you what I got done so far. Guys, this is going to be an almost flat roof, but not a flat roof. In the next segment of this build, we're going to do the roof. But for today, I'm just going to show you. I got the walls all up. I got a nice Cold Wells IPA, and I'm going to show you what I got done so far. Now guys, remember, I am not a professional carpenter by no means. I got my buddy Norm up there in Churchill. He's going to be eyeballing this pretty good. So let's go and take a look. Okay, there we are there, guys. Looks like it's going to rain pretty soon anyways. And the first thing I do when I'm building a shed is I make sure I know what kind of door I want. So this one here is going to be a 34-inch door. So that's 82.5 inch high at the top here, and 36-inch wide. So you can see how that's all done. It's nothing fancy, eh? And anybody could do this. And if you take a look, I'll show you around the back here. Yeah, it's all square and everything, guys. There we go. And I'll show you on this side here where the roof's going to go on. Right up there, I put a 5-degree cut on the top of that 2x4. So if you take a look on the top here, that's going to be the slant, 1.5 inches. And I beveled that on the table saw for 5-degree cut. So that's pretty well it, guys. You know, and that took me a whole day of putting that together. I thought I'd show you a shot from the inside here, and you can see where on each corner I have that that board. And guys, this is all for that if I want to put something on the inside here, like, you know, plywood, just have this all done. Well, that makes it a lot easier. And if we go outside here, I can show you that, yeah, that's that board just right in there. So I mean, anybody could do this. I mean, the cost for this whole top part was $225. So really, that's not too bad at all, you know, compared to what you're going to have to spend if you try to buy a shed like this. And well, you just can't buy one, I don't think, you know, made out of wood. So there you go right there. Well guys, what do you think? That's just a little bit of a quick update, and anybody can build this type of construction. Guys, this here was the bomb. I mean, yeah, this holds a lot of nails. I'm not too sure how many. I'm guessing around 300, but I only used 1.25 rings of nails. And guys, it went pretty fast. Like, I mean, it doesn't take long to whip up something like that. And I think anybody can really do this if you just put your mind to it. And it all goes together like a jigsaw. And what I like to do, like I said in the beginning there, is measure the type of door you're going to have for the width. And they're standard at 82-inch high for an exterior steel door. I'm not going to have no window in it. I'm not going to have nothing at all. It's just going to be just a plain steel door. Don't want nobody looking in there because I'm going to have stuff in there I don't want nobody to see. So thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to finish my beer. You guys come back again. If you haven't seen this channel, you're welcome to subscribe. Let's see what we're going to do with this roof. This roof is going to be something you've probably never seen before. Stay tuned.